What is? What's up, DIY babes? And long time no freaking vlog. Good start to the vlog. It's been a hot minute since I've done like a weekly vlog-esque video, but we are back because it's a special someone's second birthday today, and it's kind of been like a weekend of birthday celebrations. So yesterday it was also my best friend Lana's birthday party, so it was like a split Lana-palooza slash Moose-a-palooza. So Moose got a few presents. I saved a few of them so we can open them on camera today because today is his actual birthday. Definitely insert the cutest footage ever of Lana and Moose blowing out candles together.
Happy birthday to you! Woo! So cute!
Was that not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your entire life? So I've got a little doggy brownie, obviously dog safe, from a dog bakery. We're gonna stick a little candle in it tonight so we can sing Moose a happy birthday on his actual birthday, because like Remy has inspired me, because Remy has a literal birthday month, and so Moose gets a full weekend because I just love him that much. Moose, where is you? Meows, 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 meows. Mouse! Good, I'm glad you're just eating my slipper down there. Okay, so birthday brownie happening tonight. I'm super excited. I should have gotten myself a human brownie. I feel like that was a slip up on my part, but that's okay. We don't need a brownie. Also, it's just been like so long since I vlogged. I feel like I should hit you with a few updates. I'm headed to New York in a couple days for the annual Creator Summit, where all of your favorite YouTubers come together in New York and we basically just like do YouTube things. They've got different like presentations and talks and different parties and stuff, and it's just straight up so many YouTubers, all your favorite people. So I'll definitely be vlogging in New York this coming week. Also, I'm doing a DIY room makeover in one of the rooms that you guys haven't actually seen in my house yet. So that's for this coming Sunday's Sun DIY. So I'm doing some major DIY wall decor tomorrow, so I'll give you guys a little behind the scenes of that. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm flipping a room basically an entire day, so we'll see how that goes. Maybe I should make this like a 24-hour flip challenge, because that's essentially what it's gonna end up being. So excited for that, excited for Moose's brownie. And Moose, you wanna open some presents? Some presents? You wanna open some presents? You don't even have a party hat on yet. I got my party hat on. Where's your party hat? Hang on. Guys, Moose took the cutest little B-Day pic this morning, and he, no, hang on. You gotta blow your candle and put your party hat on. Moose, you know how the birthday rules work. Have you never been to a birthday party before? Okay, keep sit. Okay, very good. No, hang on, wait. You can't even see your brownie. This is in celebration of you being 2 years old. Stop licking your chops. Okay, ready? Moose, we're singing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Moose. There's no cake on my hands yet. Happy birthday to you. Okay, Moose, come on, help me blow this out. Come here, come sit here. Okay, ready? This is the only time you're allowed to have your paws on the table, okay? Terrible effort on your part. Okay, also, Moose has a history of eating pieces of cake in one bite and then throwing it up immediately after. So we're gonna cut this into slices, I guess just for you, because your party guests were here yesterday, and I also don't think they'd want to eat this cake. Guys, people have been fat shaming Moose lately. It's not very nice. Okay. Ew, Moose, you're drooling. Have a little class. Actually, it's your birthday. You do whatever you want. Please just don't throw up on camera. Wow. Moose birthday ASMR. Don't eat the knife. Wow. Oh, wait, here. Crumbs are on this side. Crumbs are on this side. Ow, you're using me as leverage. You're heavy. You want to open the presents? He's like, just give me the other half of the brownie, lady. Is it present time? Come here, Moose. What's in here? This is from Auntie Tiff and Uncle Matt. Okay. Wow. Oh, okay, we got the trees. Okay, good and fun. Ooh, long-lasting feet rawhide. Wow. Okay, Moose, what else is in here? What else? What? Ow! He bit my hand through the... Okay, another treat. Let me see. Ooh! Chicken and pumpkin. Okay, maybe we'll save the snack for later. Oh my goodness, this is a new toy? He's like, this ain't chicken and bacon. Thank you, Auntie Tiff and Matt. No, we just had cake. These are for tomorrow. No, these are for next month. What happened to your hat, Moose? And this is from Auntie Mia and Uncle JR. Ready? What's in this one? What's in this one? Oh, it's not a snack. There was a mini antler in here, but we had to remove it. Less excited when there's no snacks in here. That's fine, Moose. Moose, what's this? Did you get a duplicate toy? What is? Okay, well, fine. I'm gonna do a birthday haul without you then. We've got a purple octopus. Moose, you're blocking the hall. You're blocking the hall. You're blocking the hall. Purple octopus. We've got a hamburger. I'm so sorry to everyone who has a dog at home and I'm making your dog go nuts. We have a poop. A squeaky poop? You're not even interested in a squeaky poop? And we have a dragon. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, Moose kind of dove into this one yesterday, but I made him wait to open all of them till today. So maybe we're just a little less excited because it's like kind of the second round, but you do look very cute with a party hat and a purple octopus on your back. Say thank you, Auntie Mia and Uncle JR. Also, Sarah and Kane gave us a donut, which is stuck under the couch right now, and this blowfish, I'm pretty sure, and it currently already has a puncture wound from somebody who's now is a little bit large and has large incisors, not naming names or anything, but thank you, Auntie Sarah and Uncle Kane. He's really upset that he still has the hat on. I've been like super struggling with looking bald today. Look at like bald, ponytail, bald, ponytail. Actually, just finished filming a little bit ago the room makeover, the office makeover. It looks so freaking good. Oh my gosh, I want to show you guys so much of it. I think I would show you more if the video wasn't coming out on Sunday and you're gonna get to see it in like a few days. It looks so good. I was so out of my element decorating not for myself, I guess. Basically, my boyfriend gets to work remotely sometimes, and he was working out of my garage when he was here, and that's just like a little wretched. So anyways, I wanted to flip that office for him so he has somewhere nice to work aside from the cold, you know, gross office that's got little cockroaches and stuff. Just kidding. I mean, actually, I feel like I saw a really questionable looking bug the other day. Anyways, the main point is the office flip went really, really well, and I have some of the decor behind me. I did like a massive DIY wall art situation for Sunday's video, and I'm so excited. You guys, okay, wait, let me give you like a little sneak. Okay, that's all you get, that's all you get, that's all you get. Oh no, this lighting is doing the most for my forehead right now. Oh no! Oh my gosh, guys, okay, so I'm packing. It's still a little chilly in New York, so I'm extremely conflicted on what the heck I'm wearing this week. And also, for Creator Summit, they don't really tell you what you're doing during the week, so you kind of just pack an assortment of everything from like really fancy stuff and like party attire, but also like daytime stuff for just like lounging. There's a eyelash attacking my eyeball. Also, does anyone else end up naked when they're packing? I feel like I try on so many things to see if I like it enough to bring it, and then I just end up with no clothes on. I feel like that's TMI, but like, is this just a me thing or does this happen to everyone else? Moose, I miss you already. I miss you already. You have been very A+ packing support, so thank you for your services. Oh, it's tiring being packing support, I know. Okay, but like, here's what I mean. Like, we got this, we got some fringe. This is a set, but like not intended to wear the set, just like if I want to wear one or the other. But then also like a flannel and some fancy pink shorts, and then a hoodie, and then a sweater dress and some leopard, but that's like kind of casual, and then t-shirts and flannels and just like jean shorts. So I don't know. I decided to check a bag, so I'm just bringing the big one and just bringing everything. I'm so lost in life. I don't know. Hi guys, and happy Tuesday. I am officially in New York. I am like so messed up with the time change right now. I know it's only 3 hours, and normally 3 hours doesn't really throw me off, but my flight was at 7 a.m. so alarm was set at like 4:45, and so like I don't even know how many meals I've eaten today, but I've made it to New York for Creator Summit, and I'm so excited. We've never stayed at this hotel before, and this is my 5th year. I just realized it's been so many years of Creator Summit, and I'm so excited. And this hotel is super cute, and oh my gosh, they left us the cutest gifts ever. So unique. And okay, let me show you everything. Let me show you everything. Okay, look how freaking cute this bathroom is. Oh my gosh. Not entirely sure how I'm not gonna flood this entire area when I shower, but we'll figure it out. Cute bathroom, cute sink. Hello. And then over here, we've got the bed, and I feel like New York hotels are just like typically really small, but it's okay. So there's the shower here, got a prime view if you've, you know, yeah. Cute bed, cute headboard, and then here's the view. Okay, wait. And then here's the view of New York. We are like over in Brooklyn, so like that's the main city over there. No sunset tonight, but I feel like it'll be so pretty when there is a sunset. So cute. I think we stayed there last year. I'm not entirely sure. And you get fake grass. Oh my gosh, okay, so it's getting so dark in here and I have like literally no lighting, but look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, so I think we're doing roller skating tomorrow. YouTube socks, YouTube freaking roller skates. I'm so excited. There's a really cool like vintagey spot in LA that I sometimes go to, and now I have my own roller skates. I'm so excited. I'm not great, but I can definitely get by. This literally just looks like an ice skating skate, but with like the roller skate bottom. So that's tomorrow night. Fingers crossed no one breaks anything, because I just feel like this is a liability waiting to happen. Also, they put our pictures on the passes this year. Napoleon Dynamite, is that you? Anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed more of like a weekly vlog-ish layout. I know I've been kind of all over the place with the weekly vlog, but let me know if you missed them or you like kind of like the more regular video format on the Wednesday uploads. Maybe we'll just do like a little bit of both. Anyways, let me know. I'm so excited to be vlogging this week for Creator Summit. They always have some crazy guests, crazy performances, crazy panels. I'll be sure to vlog all of that for you guys. And I'm so excited to see the final footage of the room reveal for this Sunday. So get excited for that. And I will see you guys on Sunday for that Sunday I want to get on Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys. Love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets. She's the DIY queen, yeah, you know